Okay, so this is a guitar amplifier, a tube guitar amplifier that I got at an estate sale a few months ago. You know, it's just a little Japanese guitar amplifier. I've been trying to find some information on it. I cannot find anything about it. You know, I've searched quite a bit and I haven't been able to find anything. It has a little pilot light that says PI. I wonder what that means. PI. You know what PI means, Leroy?
I did not know.
It's got volume, min, max, and off, and then 2 instrument inputs. It's got a pretty cool little handle, little strap with it. Let's see, that tube right there is a, what is that, 30A5. Looks like there's a little filter cap in there. It's got, looks like a 3x5 speaker. And a couple other tubes. I'm not sure what those are. Looks like there's some disc caps hanging in there. A little transformer hiding up in there. What would that be? That, I mean, this is that a power transformer? I guess it's a power transformer, and a tiny little itty bitty is that an audio transformer up in there? That's pretty small. I guess it's a pretty small little amp, so I have not been able to find out anything about this thing. Leban or Leban 23. What's the 23 stand for? Surely not 23 watts. Okay, so I've got it plugged into my current limiter. Let's turn it on. Okay, let's turn the unit on now. Let's put this on watts. Put that on watts. Ooh, the light comes on. It was at 22 watts and then it went down to, now it's dropping to 17. Got some, a little bit of hum from the speaker. I got max. Ooh, the controls pretty dirty. Pretty good amount of hum there. It's back up to 23 watts, 23.7. Control needs cleaned. Okay. One thing I noticed a minute ago is that the hum is intermittent. It goes away sometimes. So there is. I've got the junkyard Les Paul here plugged into it. Still showing 23.6 watts. Got the volume at halfway. That actually sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
That actually sounds pretty good. that's volume halfway up. Seems like it might be my cable that's causing the hum. So that's not a half bad little amplifier there. But I just need to know some information. If anybody's got any information on this thing, like a schematic would be great. I'd be interested in that. I'm just playing my junkyard Les Paul here. Alright, that's it. Any more comments, Leroy?
Nope.
So anyway, there it is, the Leban 23 tube guitar amplifier from Japan.